Yes, dear student friends, class 6th science chapter number 8, a journey through states of water. Question number 1, which of the following best describes condensation? There are four options. First option is the conversion of water into its vapor state. Second one is the process of water changing from a liquid into a gaseous state. Then third one is the formation of clouds from a tiny water droplets. Then fourth one is the conversion of water vapor into its liquid state. The correct answer for this question is the conversion of water vapor into its liquid state. Then second one is question number 2. Identify in which of the given processes evaporation is very important. First one is a coloring with crayons, watercolors, acrylic colors, pencil colors. Second one is writing on a paper with pencil, ink pen, ballpoint pen. So the coloring with the correct answer for this is watercolors. Writing on a paper with ink pen. Yes, next question number 3. We see green colored plastic grass in many places. These days, space around natural grass feels cooled than space around plastic grass. Can you find out why? Answer for this question is natural grass cools the surrounding area by absorbing moisture from the air, unlike plastic grass which does not absorb moisture. Question number 4. Give examples of liquid other than water which evaporates. Give examples of liquids other than water which evaporate. The answer for this question is liquids like milk, oil, alcohol, eye drops and sanitizer evaporate other than water. This is the answer for question number 4. Then question number 5. Fan move air around creating a cooling sensation. It might seem strange to use a fan to dry wet clothes since fans usually make things cooler, not warmer. Normally, when water evaporates, it requires heat, not cold air. What do you think about this? Answer for this question. Fans help clothes dry faster by increasing air circulation, which speeds up the evaporation process even though the fan itself may not produce heat. Question number 6. Usually when sludge is removed from drains, it is left in heaps next to drain for 3 to 4 days. Afterwards, it is transported to a garden or a field where it can be used as a manure. This approach reduces the transportation cost of the sludge and enhances the safety individuals handling it. Reflect upon it and explain how. The answer for this question: by leaving sludge out, the water in it evaporates, reducing its volume and making it lighter and easier to handle and transport. Question number 7. Observe the activities in your house for a day. Identify the activities that involve evaporation. How does understanding the process of evaporation help us in our daily activities? Observe the activities in your house for a day. Identify the activities that involve evaporation. How does understanding the process of evaporation help us in our daily activities? Answer for this question: activities involving in evaporation include drying clothes in the sun, noticing the smell of food cooking without being in the kitchen, and wet utensils drying after washing. Understanding evaporation helps us speed up these processes. So this is the answer for question number 7. So the activities like involving evaporation, dry clothes in the sun and noticing the smell of food cooking without being in the kitchen, and wet utensil drying after washing. These are the evaporation processes. Okay. Question number 8. How is water present in the solid state in nature? How is water present in the solid state in nature? Answer for this question. Water exists in its solid form in nature as ice, snow and frost. So water present in the solid state, mainly ice, snow and frost. Okay. Next one is question number 9. Reflect on the statement, water is our responsibility before it is our right. Share your thoughts. Reflect on the statement, water is our responsibility before it is our right. Share your thoughts. So answer, while we have a right to use water, only a small portion is usable. Yes, remember, while we have a right to use water, only a small portion is usable. We must conserve and protect water sources and ensure future availability as pollution and wastage threaten this source. So this is the answer for question number 9. Next question number 10. This is the last question of this chapter. So the seat of a two-wheeler parked on a sunny day has become very hot. How can you cool it down? Answer for this question. You can cool the seat by covering it with a wet cloth, sprinkling water on it, using a seat cover, or parking in the shade to reduce direct sunlight. Yes, see here, the seat of a two-wheeler parked on a sunny days has become a very hot. How can you cool it down? Answer, you can cool the seat by covering it with a wet cloth, sprinkling water on it, using a seat cover or a parking in the shade to reduce direct sunlight. So there are two processes. First one is first one is sprinkle water on it. Okay, lightly sprinkle water directly on the seat. The evaporating water will help to lower the temperature. Yes, what it is, sprinkle water on it. Lightly sprinkle water directly on the seat. The evaporating water will help to lower the temperature. Yes, second one is park in the shade. Yes, if possible, move two-wheeler to a shaded area to reduce the seat's exposure to sunlight. Okay, so see here, so this is the answer for question number 10. This is application based question. The seat of a two-wheeler parked on a sunny days has become very hot. How can you cool it down? Okay, so you can cool, you can cool the seat by covering it with a wet cloth, sprinkling water on it, using a seat cover or parking in the shade to reduce direct sunlight. So dear friends, this is the 6th class science chapter number 8. Okay, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.